To get on here and make a quick update on the small account challenge. As you can see on the day, I'm up 18%. Uh, I just wanted to show you guys the trade I took today. So at market open, right now it's actually still 9:45, so it's only 15 minutes into the day, but I decided just take the dub, not to look at the charts anymore after this and just go about my day. But this morning I took Microsoft 575.5 calls for next week's expiration. So Jerome Powell is supposed to speak at 11 o'clock today, but I decided not to, hold through it because I don't want to hold through volatility on such a small account. So I took the 20% and I just ran with it. So my thought process was that there's a gap, all the way back here from last year that Microsoft has yet to fill. And I decided that it probably would try to push towards 250 today. As you can see, it just turned red, so me taking profits when I did was really good. But yeah, I decided to trade it because of this gap. I thought it would try to push towards 250. It didn't end up touching it just yet today. I'm sure later on when Jay Powell talks that the markets will rally and this will push past 250, but I always have money to join back and get into another trade, so I'm not chirping too much. But yeah, so far in the week, I'm up 140%, $84. And this is my 7th green day in a row. So that's, something to celebrate for. And so far, I am 91%. I have a 91% win rate with 10 wins and 1 loss in the past 11 trades. So yeah, I just want to get on here and make a quick update video for you guys. I'll be back on Monday with another video. And yeah, that's it. All right, thanks for watching.